So track fans, there is actually a very shocking news that you guys need to know. This is about Yohan Blake. So today Yohan Blake started his training, and as you can see, he is demonstrating that he is actually working under the sun, and the sun is too hotful for his skin. And guess what, guys? Yohan Blake is ready for Paris Olympic. The fact that he is still training, and one thing I love about Yohan Blake is he is very bold, because it's not everybody that will be at his age and still be running. That is to show that Yohan Blake has this confidence on himself. As you can see, this is Yohan Blake. He was very tired. He was kind of his skin was being kind of pressured by the sun, and Yohan Blake was able to narrate that the water that he was drinking was the reason why that was what cools his body. The water he was taking, that was what helped him during his training. So that was what Yohan Blake was able to see. Now the big question is, track fans, what do you think about Yohan Blake? Do you think he has a chance to win gold in the 100-meter next year in Paris Olympic 2024? Let me know what you think, guys, and make sure to subscribe.